classic editor sections on Squarespace are still useful. They just haven't always been very easy to find. Now, Squarespace is making changes to the menu in the editor all the time, it seems. And a lot of times they don't always seem to make the most sense, but this is one time where I think they've made the right move. They've moved the classic editor sections around where you would find them at, and this time I think it's for the better. I'm going to show you how to access these classic editor sections, and then also I'll show you how to get to the templates. We're head over my screen right now, and we'll get started. Okay, so I'm here on my demo website, and to access these classic editor sections, I'm just going to click edit here to enter the Squarespace editor. And I'm going to scroll down to the second section here and add a section. So click add section there. And then as you see all the templates that they have, all the Fluid Engine templates. But to access a classic editor section, all you got to do here is click the add blank. And then you can see here, it gives you the two options. So this is the change here. They added an option here for add blank, whereas this used to be just a straight up, you would click the add blank and it would add a Fluid Engine section. Now you have the choice of a classic editor section as well, and you don't have to go looking for it. So you would just click classic editor, and you'll see here that you have the classic editor section, and it's prompting you to upgrade. They want you to move to Fluid Engine, but as we all know, there's reasons here and there to still use those classic editor sections. So that's how you would add one. Now, if you want to use the templates for classic editor, they still have those on there. They're still available as well. So let's click add section again. And you can see where all the templates are right here. You just have to scroll down to the bottom and click made with classic editor. And then you have all the templates for classic editor as well. I've made a video before on classic editor and how to get to it, but now it's updated. It's easier to find, and wanted you guys to know where that was at now. So anyhow, if you found this useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Squarespace content like this. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.